नमस्कार दोस्तों। क्या आपके ऊपर मल्टीपल लोन्स हो गए हैं? क्या रिकवरी एजेंट आपको दिन में बार बार कॉल्स कर रहे हैं? क्या आपकी फैमिली को डरा रहे हैं? क्या आपको बार बार लीगल नोटिस आ रहे हैं? तो नीचे दिए गए नंबर पर आप हमसे संपर्क करें। मैं और हमारी टीम आपका पूरा सहयोग करेगी इस स्टेप से बाहर निकलने में। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।
So I know, I understand what the situation you are faced and what is the scenario you are going through. I respect you, sir. You have stood in front of that and you are facing it. Okay, it's a brave thing for you. I appreciate you in that.
Okay, I have to take care of 15% in my family. I have to take care of business losses, financial losses, investment has been defrauded, and also this 30 lakh obligation on me.
The good days will be coming for you.
I'm going to so bad, sir.
No, sir, it will be come back, sir.
Sir, trust me, sir. I'm going to be.
दोस्तों, बाप ऑफ रिकवरी को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, घंटे के बटन को जरूर दबाएं और कमेंट में जरूर लिखें रिकवरी एजेंट की बजाओ।
Hello, Ali Akbar.
Yes, tell me.
Ali Akbar, this is Finance. I called you last week from Navi Finance. Remember?
From where?
Navi Finance.
From Navi Finance.
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
So, when last time we spoke, we agreed to talk our manager, right? For 2 minutes.
Okay.
So, can I connect you with you?
Yes, sure. Go ahead.
Please hold, bro.
Okay.
The person you are speaking with.
Hello.
Namaskar, Mr. Ali Akbar.
Speaking Ali Akbar. Tell me, what's your name, sir?
My name is Vishnu Mohan. I'm handling the whole Kerala right now. I called you regarding for the EMI pending.
Which bank are you from?
Navi personal loans.
Navi Personal Loan. Okay.
Yeah.
I have already spoken with your previous executive. Do you have any
Okay.
remark from them?
No, I haven't got any clear update from them. That's why I called you.
Okay, you haven't got any update from the previous executive.
I got update from him. What I require is a clear clarity on that. So that's why I try to reach you. Okay, you have there is a more percentage of what you having. If it's possible, then we were discussing of to yes, if you can pay short EMI or a short amount, it will be good for us. Also, you can make a good healthy civil score also. That's why.
Currently, I have explained
Your executive that I am going through with severe financial losses, and there is also a financial fraud happened with me in terms of investment, and also there is a business I was having with my colleague. In that business as well, the business has went into losses. The business is into ramp down process right now. And the colleague I was going through with the business, he committed suicide because of this investment fraud and a business loss. And apart from that, I'm having a multiple debt with multiple banks. It's about 30 to 40 lakh rupees credit card loans I'm having obligation pending on me right now. So for that scenario, I have informed your executive and I have also done an email to your company that for next 3 to 4 months, there is no possibility from my side that I'll afford to pay any single penny for this loan account. And there is a potential chances that I can close this account under a one-time settlement or a mutual settlement with your company. But I need more 2 to 3 months to arrange the funds, because whatever the amount in terms of my saving or financial capability I was having, it was already invested into the side investment and side business. Okay, I have lost about 25 to 30 lakh rupees under one shot. Okay. Supporting document has already been emailed to your company. You can go through with that. So there is no saving or funds availability I'm having right now for next 2-3 months. So what I am in conversation with some private financer, I'm trying to borrow a bulk amount from private financer. So that amount I can use a settlement process from the other lenders and with your company as well. So this is what going through right now. It will take more 2 to 3 month time.
Yes, yes, sir. I have understood your current issue, what you are facing, and what you have clearly told me what is the solution, everything. But I'm asking as a solution to this or a
No, what you
helping hand
guys are
for.
asking is you guys are asking to pay one EMI. Okay.
No,
That.
I'm just entirely. I'm not asking for you to pay one EMI. I am just asking you to pay some penny. Okay.
Got it.
It's up to you. It's up to you.
Mm-hmm.
You can pay 100, 500,000, 10,000, how much you prefer. It's not an issue, okay?
I got it.
It's up to you. Yeah, it's up to you.
That is what
But
it's not possible.
Yeah, we
It's
are
not
asking
possible
for
from my side because what
penny.
happens, sir? See, I am having at least 15% family. Okay. It's a huge.
Okay.
My family. It's a migrated family, and it's a big family. N number of people are in my family, and I'm the only major earning member. Okay. Whatever the home expenses, medical expenses for the parents, and the livelihood of home expenses, it's all me myself have to take care. And currently, the business has been booked into losses. The investment has been gone through. I am also fighting into litigation, but there is no reimbursement that I'll be getting from the legal authority as well. Okay. They have said no because the company has already committed a fraud. It was some sort of crypto exchange company I have invested into. The investment does not belong to any stock market or any trading market. It was direct to company. Okay.
Okay.
And they were operating into some crypto exchange, and they committed a defraud with n number of people, including me. That has already been reported to big media news channels as well. You can also go through. I have attached every single information into your email.
Yes, sir. The same issue. Yes, I have also been faced. Yes, there is one app called Angel X. Yes, I had invested around 3 to 4 lakhs of my savings on that platform, and yes, I had run a daily buy and sell around 2 to 3 lakhs. I just buy the USDT from the abroad, and I used to sell here. Okay. I just used to buy the USDT around 89, 88 rupees from the abroad UAE, and I used it to sell in here. But also, still I am facing around 3 to 4 these legal cases by the which department? The legal department. I just forgot the name. Just
Cybercrime.
Cybercrime. Yeah.
Got it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I got 3-4 notices also.
Right.
I have. Yeah.
Even mine bank account, my family's bank account has already been marked into freeze.
Yeah. My account is having my account is having around 1,25,000. Account is freezed. My ICC account. It was my previous salary account.
Yes.
So I understand what the situation you are faced and what is the scenario you are going through. I respect you, sir. You have stood in front of that, and you are facing it. Okay, it's a brave thing for you. I appreciate you in that.
My colleague has invested above 50 lakh rupees. Can you imagine? He has invested.
I am getting that risk, sir.
He has invested
I got around 1.5 lakh. Please, I am just in the middle of nowhere. If you have lost 20 to 30 lakhs, it's nothing to say.
Sir, my colleague has just committed suicide.
Yeah, sir.
Literally, I am in a very, very severe condition, and I am having the same intent right now.
That's why I respect you, sir. After having this time of fall down, you are standing well. You have the potential to come back, and the crypto market, you know the market. It's easy job to come back in crypto.
But these are scammers, sir. There is no regulation for these companies, crypto, whatever. Yes, government is having a tax endorsed for these companies and a crypto exchange, but there is no regulation for these type of trading platforms, crypto, whatever. So I have gone through with hell lot of litigation stuff. Okay. I have spent hell lot of amount into advocates. I have taken loans. I have given to advocate. They have given me the commitment.
Will happen, sir.
Yes. False commitment.
According to Indian law, there is nothing. Especially the crypto selling and buying is not legal on India.
Mm-hmm.
If we are doing also, we should pay around 30% of the tax to the profit share.
Mm-hmm.
But
Right.
also the government is not securing it. It's an open fact. I know that, sir. But
Yes.
meanwhile, my job is this. I will tell you frankly. My job is this. If I am having a default customer, I need to educate what is the current situation, and this is the situation. Just try to get something, somewhat. I'm not asking for a big EMI or your foreclosure or a settlement. I am just asking for some penny.
I
It
got
can
it,
be
sir.
1,000. It can be 1,000 or 10,000. What do you prefer? Plus, just give us a favor, sir.
See, currently what happened is, you are working in a prior or preliminary designated post in the company, and I know you are upfrontly calling me and trying to resolve this account. I understand you might be having some pressure and you might be having some superior, and you have to give your potential feedback in my case. I understand what is going through in the backend team, but what I can commit you is what I can afford. Right. If I'm giving you any commitment, it would be 500 or 5,000, whatever it would be.
That's why, sir, I am asking only.
But literally, I'm telling you, sir, I cannot afford a single penny currently right now. My amount, savings, or beat any investment I have done into business or any other company, it has been completely duped. Whatever the amount I was having available in my saving, that has been already defrauded right away.
Yes, I got it.
I am not having any single penny available in my deep pocket right now. Okay. I'm telling you very upfront, and it will take more 2 to 3 months. Trust me. I'm telling you very upfront. I don't want to give out any false commitment to you guys. I can understand that I can, do not establish any relation with you people, and I will directly say, okay, sir, I'll try my best. You can just give a follow-up after 1 week, and I'll try to arrange the fund whatsoever it would be. Okay. I cannot say that. I can say that, and I can, ask you guys to do a carry-forward follow-ups. But I know that if I do a false commitment, you guys will be having your superior to do a follow-up, and you have to also call me back for the account recovery.
Yes, sir. Same, sir.
I am here to not give you any false commitment. I'll upfrontly stick to my point that it will take more 2 to 3 months for the amount availability from my side.
Yes,
Because I am having just one last option available to arrange funds for your company account or any other bank I'm having credit card or personal loan with. Okay. I'm having currently about 30 lakh rupees unsecured product. Credit card, personal loan, BNPL, it's HL, Bill BL, it's a lot of category account products I'm having. Okay. I have taken loans to repay the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. It has been racked up multiple debt trapped on me right now. Okay. All the money has been gone in through defraud.
Yes, I got it, sir.
I have been duped by these scammers. My business has been rammed down due to business losses. Also, my partner committed suicide. He was having invested mine amount and the business amount 10 to 15 lakh into the open term market. I have no track on that as well because he has committed suicide. I have nothing on paper. Right?
Yes, I got.
If I have no track and if I have to take and if I have to recover the money from the market and I have no track on paper for that, nobody is going to come up upfrontly. Oh, your colleague has given me sort of amount. Now I have to repay to you guys back. Nobody is going to upfrontly give me that money, right?
No one is going to tell that.
Right.
This kind of money is having.
So I am completely hopeless, sir. Yeah. I am completely hopeless. And I am having about 30 lakh loans with 15 different creditors. You guys are calling. You guys have also committed a visit. And also apart from you, there are many banks and NBFC. These guys are visiting on daily basis. These guys are triggering my mental peace. These guys are calling about 300 call counts a day. I am sitting at my home. I am giving above 5 hours talk time a day. Can you imagine? People are back to back calling me recovery agents and they are completely harassing me. And they don't know what pressure I am going through. My partner has gone in a committed suicide. I am having a business losses in open term market. Investment has been gone defraud. So much of loans and so much of credit card. 15 members in a family. if we eat dal chawal a day, if we eat just one time dal chawal, it can be 80,000 per month to manage my livelihood of my home expenses.
Yeah,
And I am the only major earning member. I am the only breadwinner. There is nobody else in my family who is going to earn. It's me, myself. Okay, I have to take care of 15% in my family. I have to take care of business losses, financial losses, investment has been defrauded, and also this 30 lakh obligation on me. I am in a severe pressure. Trust me, sir. And I am having the same intent as my colleague. Same actual intent that happened with my colleague.
Don't think for that, sir. What happened is what happened. We will recover for sure. The good days will be coming for you.
I'm going to so bad, sir.
Sir, it will be coming for you, sir. You just don't need to worry. You will have the time.
Trust me, sir. It's all legitimate.
No, sir. It will be come back, sir.
Sir, trust me, sir. I'm going to be.
Sir, if you are having a birthday, tomorrow will be a good day for us. Trust me on that, sir.
I have lost everything, sir. It's about 1 crore rupees.
Sir, I understood, sir.
People are looking for to kill me, sir. You don't understand.
Just be bold, sir. Currently the situation you are facing.
I have lost my life, sir. I have lost every single penny, sir. I have lost my father's money. I have lost my own family's money. I have lost my wife's jewelry. Everything is gone, sir.
Sir, yes, sir. You have lost everything, but you can come back, sir. You will come back, sir.
I hope you are getting my point or not. I am in a very bad situation. So sorry for this behavior. But
no, sir, it's an issue.
what
I'm saying,
I cannot give you any single penny for next 3 months, sir. Please understand.
Okay, sir. Just I'm telling you, if you have any possibilities, just try to do it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.